शिक्षा नगरी सीकर में, जहां स्कूल्स एकेडमिक्स में लगातार बेहतरीन परिणाम दे रहे हैं, वहीं अब स्टूडेंट्स को एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज के जरिए नए करियर विकल्पों की राह भी दिखाई जा रही है। इसी दिशा में डैफोडिल्स वर्ल्ड स्कूल ने एक अनूठी मॉक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया, जहां स्टूडेंट्स को न्यूज मीडिया और जर्नलिज्म की वास्तविक दुनिया से परिचित कराया गया। इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में स्टूडेंट्स ने रिपोर्टर, एंकर और पत्रकार की भूमिकाओं को निभाया, जिससे उन्हें सवाल जवाब के माध्यम से मीडिया के व्यावहारिक अनुभव का एक्सपोजर मिला। आइए देखते हैं इस आयोजन की एक झलक और जानते हैं कि कैसे ये युवा पत्रकार भविष्य के जर्नलिस्ट बनने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और कैसे इस आयोजन ने उनके कौशल को निखारा है।
Job which you are doing today is very difficult, and students, those who are going to ask questions, try to answer them honestly. If you people are committing any mistake, you people should admit. So without much ado, let's start, and all the very best to these news anchors, all the very best student council, and all the very best to the digital team. Let's go.
The question coming to you might affect your CV because I am Arjika from MDTV, raising my question to Abhiraj. As per the inspection of our sources, we got to know that you are having some medical issues that doesn't permits you to wear the regular school uniform. And since you are holding this badge, everyone expects you to be perfectly dressed from tip to toe. So, how are you going to manage this situation? Will you ignore your medical concerns or quit your title?
As the question you have raised, I think I have to manage both the things together, as I cannot ignore the medical reports and as I am having a big responsibilities with me. So I need to take them parallel, as asking and seeking permission from the management for a few days. It's not like I have to wear the uniform throughout the session.
As per our sources, we have found some complaints regarding discipline issues and seriousness towards academics. As we all know that the another 2000 students are following you, and this cultural post needs a person who follow proper culture. So, are you really following the culture properly and giving a fruitful lesson to your juniors by these actions of yours?
Many of the students think that council members are misusing their powers and they are roaming here and there, but it is not like that. Like, if anyone thinks, you should come to us and you should ask, then we will tell you that if we are doing any work or not. We will not lie to anyone that we are roaming like that only or something else, but we are doing our tasks which is given by the school.
The case of Vinesh Fogart, our Indian wrestler. As a sports person, what are your views on it?
It was just a hard luck or unpredictable nature of sports that she got disqualified. And I think in future she will be doing better, and it was just an hard luck. And we have to follow the rules given by Olympics because rules are rules for everyone. Thank you.
Misutilization of power and post has been seen by you and your team in context of going anywhere, doing anything and just roaming around just by using the title, which certainly makes us think about that do you all really value this post? So what are your views on it?
Well, first of all, a very good morning. And yes, I think we need to address this question. I'm sure a lot of people here have seen me roaming around, as they say it. But it is not just roaming around. Like most of the time you will see us outside, be it like me or my other council members, not just me. But if you really ask us, like I would like to say to you all, but if you really see us outside, I would like you all to come to us at that moment and ask us what we are doing. And then you will know. Because we are not just roaming around, we are doing council work. And if I had to recall any incident, then it will be like, you will see us most of the time addressing students' issues and going to office.
ये बात हमें भी पता है, आपको भी पता है, बट बाकी बच्चों को कैसे बताओगे?
हाँ, तो हम लोग सोचते हैं क्लास में जा जाके हम ये ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. मतलब मैंने और लक्ष्य ने बात का सोचा था कि
कितनी क्लास में गए हो आप, कितने ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस?
मैं से बोल रही हूँ हमने प्लान करा है. अभी स्पोर्ट्स वीक आएगा ना, उसके टाइम.
आप 2 महीने से प्लान ही करते जा रहे हो क्या?
हाँ, करेंगे.
ठीक है, फिर करो बात.
थैंक यू.
मैं हूँ तेजस्वी जन आवाज़ से और मेरा सवाल है लक्ष्य जादून से। कई बार ऐसी परिस्थितियाँ आती हैं जिसमें आपके करीबी मित्र किसी अनुशासनहीन गतिविधि में शामिल होते हैं, तो उस समय क्या आप अपने मित्रों का साथ देते हैं या सही का साथ देते हैं? और अगर आप सही का साथ देते हैं तो कहीं अपने मित्रों को खोने का डर नहीं होता?
मेरे को स्कूल ने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ दी हैं जिसको मेरे को करना पड़ेगा, और ये मेरा काम है कि जो भी गलत हो रहा है उसको मैं रोकूं। सो आई विल होप दैट माई फ्रेंड्स वोंट टेक इट पर्सनली।
Everyone has their different tasks to perform, but one task remains common among that is maintaining discipline, since so many people are already working on it. Do you think that there is actually need for this title?
Currently, I have taken a session just before a month in 4th B+, and I found that students were complaining that Didi, they are not listening. If discipline issues are there, that means post is needed. That's why I think that being a discipline head girl, this post is really required in every institution.
How can students contact and provide feedbacks to you?
So you can come and reach to us at any time, basically in our free periods in CTPs, lunch, fruit break and all. But we have planned of installing suggestion boxes on each floor.
What made you apply for this post? Was it the responsibility or just a title and fame? If responsibility, then enlist your acts in which you were actually responsible since the time of your appointment.
I have been in this school for 3 to 4 years, and before going from the school, like this is my last year, I wanted to do some betterment for the school.
We got to know that your personal life and professional lives are poles apart, but still you are balancing it pretty well. So my question to you is, what are your tricks to do it, or you are compelled to do this?
It is my spirit of leadership and representing people that guides me to do what I am doing.
लेकिन आज हम जानना चाहते हैं आपकी उन स्कूल की कमियों के बारे में जिनमें आपके हिसाब से सुधार की ज़रूरत है।
One is procrastination, and the second thing is like I am short-tempered when it comes that I haven't done anything wrong, but still people suspect me that it's me who had done that.
What initiatives are being implemented to improve student achievement and academic performance along with the annual day practices?
I'm involved in my academics, so that's why we get the annual practices during the assembly and first period, so that the academics did not spoil. And the juniors are also getting 2 periods, and the other periods are of studies. So you are involved in both academics and annual function practice.
Whatever you have said, that was done by the management. What are your top priorities for the upcoming year?
There are few things which I have thought could be added in the school management, like there is one feedback mechanisms for the functions and the competitions which are held in our school.
You are in grade 12. You have recently participated in the badminton tournament. But as per our sources, we got to know that you said, I will not give my 100% in the individual game.
Okay, so I clearly admit that I have given this statement because I don't know, during this time I am a bit lacking in my academics, so I wanted to focus in my studies.
The annual grand show of school fragrance is coming, and you have a direct relation from this event. As you are the culture head so far, what environment have you shown and what are you going to show in the coming days?
As I am a cultural head girl, so I have prioritized my studies as well as I have planned something for annual function. Like for the management and for the event, I'll do my 100% to make it so good.
So let us call your teachers and ask them how many fee periods are there and how many study periods are there.
Surely you can call them, but I think they are busy right now, so.
No, they are right here.
No one teaches us.
Shall we go?
Sorry, no one teaches me like here. Any teacher is not there.
आपको क्या लगता है कि आप एक महज छाया है हेड बॉय और हेड गर्ल की, या सच में इस टाइटल की अलग अहमियत है?
वेल, डेप्यूटी का काम बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, जो शायद आपको दिखे ना, पर हम काउंसिल की बैकबोन होते हैं, हम सबकी हेल्प करते हैं, बस हेड बॉय या फिर कैप्टन नहीं बल्कि सभी लोगों की.
As it is a punishable offense to disturb the security devices, What are you doing for this issue? Are you even aware of this issue?
If it is required, so we will of course take some strict action if there is students are still playing with camera and all.
My question is to the head boy Karan, who is probably unaware about the disciplining issue that your class is facing. So what are you doing for the same?
Yes, I have been working on it. Just yesterday only, you may ask Mukesh sir, I was talking about the disciplinary issues of our class.
So how are you going to leave an impact on the one who is really doubtful about her identity?
So deputy's role is to support and is a backbone of the council. We are working behind, and like you can see, we are the unsung heroes of the council. We work behind.
What are your actions on it? And if you're actually working on it, sorry to say, but we can't see the results.
We will take something good action on that. They will feel that yes, speaking Hindi is not good.
So what do you think? You got the post because of your race, grace, trace or face?
Most of the council students sitting here, they took the initiative. When there were interviews, half of the students did not participate. So other half who even went for the interview, they took the initiative. So it was well. And we were selected because, not because we were much smarter or we were more better at communication or something like this. It was because we had a sense of willingness to serve the school.
Education is something, it's not bookish. How do my mind is broad? How do I my thought process? According to the situation, what I come to the conclusion, that you learn since childhood, it is required. So you should be very logical, honest, loyal, confident, strong, bold, confidence. It's these words I do believe in my life. So judge it, take care. You need their support and cooperation and work for it. Every moment, see, we are not giving you a chance to do so many things.
Congratulations to these tiny brains to execute the things so nicely, and to my council members to take this as a challenge. Because as it was informed, many leaders, many people, many influencers, they do not come up on the dais of press conference because it's not so easy to take up any question from the audience and to answer that. It needs a lot of courage, and it was visible. There were some emotions, some kind of the fear, but you overcome that all. And that is the motive of such activities, the interactions which you are doing as a senior and junior. Even here, your responsibilities are also recorded. It makes check on the democracy that the post which is given to you, yes, you are justifying or not. So do take care of all the things which may be came today in your conscience or it made by these tiny press conference members. Thank you all. Thank you all the mentors who have done this wonderful activity, and I wish you all should lead from front as you are doing all this. Thank you.